It's week 3 of the blockade here at Deighton Station. It's been very, very busy, but things are progressing exceptionally well.
We've finished installing the new downslow and upslow footprint, including the crossover and a turnout at the junction. Works at the moment now, we're just tamping, welding, stressing, ready to hand over to Siemens for the wheels retesting.
Since the existing track has been removed and realigned into its new position, that's given us the opportunity to start building platform 2. We've also made really good progress on the soil nailing wall. It's now near completion. We've got the final areas to spray, and we've got a big weekend coming up, which is the installation of the new Whitacre Street bridge. So we've got 4 pairs of 27-metre long beams to get ready.
We've got to make space for the new slow line position as well as the fast lines. So that's going from 2 tracks to 4 tracks. We've also had to increase the height of Whitacre Street Bridge to account for the overhead line equipment.
The 650-tonne crane arrives on Friday and we start the lift Saturday morning. All the piling platforms now ready, and we're good to go.
We do have this blockade running until Bank Holiday Monday, and then we've got a little break for 4 days, and then we go into work starting around the Dewsbury area. Please check before you travel. Please check National Rail and just make sure that the buses are running or your trains are running as expected. Thank you very much for your patience during this work.